Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Gadgets. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for more astronomy tips and tricks. Today, I'm super excited to dive into a topic that's perfect for all you aspiring stargazers out there. We're talking about the best binoculars for beginners. Whether you're aiming to get a closer look at the moon, planets, or even distant galaxies, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. First, let's chat about why you should consider investing in good binoculars. If you're passionate about astronomy, a quality pair of binoculars can open up a whole new world of discovery. They allow you to see celestial objects in greater detail. From the craters on the moon to the rings of Saturn, the universe is literally at your fingertips. Alright, let's break down the different types of binoculars you'll come across. There are three main types: Poro prism, roof prism, and Galilean binoculars. Poro prism. Binoculars are great for general stargazing. They offer excellent depth perception and are generally more affordable. Roof prism binoculars are compact and more rugged. They're perfect if you plan to carry them to various locations. Galilean binoculars are old school but still useful for looking at the moon and larger objects. They're simple and easy to use. When choosing your first pair of binoculars, there are a few key features to consider. 1. Aperture size. This is the diameter of the main lens. A larger aperture gathers more light, which is essential for seeing dim objects. 1. Magnification. While higher magnification sounds great, too much can make it difficult to keep objects in view. Aim for something between 7x and 10x. 1. Portability. If you plan to carry your binoculars to different places, consider their weight and ease of use. So there you have it. A quick rundown of the best binoculars for astronomy beginners. I hope this helps you get started on your stargazing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Clear skies, everyone!